friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I just finished engine oil and filter change on this 2015 Toyota Prius, and in this short video I would love to show you how to reset the maintenance light on this. And the first step is to set that trip meter and the trip A, and if you look with me, there is the odometer down there. Now using the button on the steering wheel right here, I will change it to trip A. Do you see it? And now I will switch off entire vehicle. And the next step is to locate a switch which has kilometers and miles per hour. It's right here. And I will need to hold this switch while I am switching that ignition on. So once again, holding this down and keep holding, right, while I'm putting that ignition on. That was 1 and 2. And look, it's resetting the maintenance data. Complete, boom, and we are done. And I will say bravo Toyota for making it so easy for the owners of these vehicles. So I hope this is helpful to someone out there, right, for their own maintenance. And please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.